Hi, it's Melissa with Creative Frugal Fun. Today's video is looking at the prepared food items that Sam's Club has. You could use them for an entire holiday meal. You could just purchase a few of them to help you out so you don't have to cook as much. Or if you need to take a food item to someone else's home, this is a great video for you also. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So the first item is your turkey. They have this oven roasted turkey that you can just warm up in the oven so that it's delicious for you. It's $3.98 a pound. They're typically about $15. And that's in my area. You just cover with foil and bake at 350 for 60 to 90 minutes, or there's also a microwave option. I've also done it where I put gravy and sliced turkey in a pan and just warm it up on the stove. The next item is their mashed potatoes. It's $6.98 for 4 pounds. They say it's between 8 and 12 servings, and you just cut a slit in the vent, microwave for 4 minutes, remove the film, and microwave again for about 2.5 minutes, and you have mashed potatoes to go with your turkey. Sam's Club has two gravy options that are just reheat and go. The first one is their Harry's gravy, which is 20-ounce tubs. You get two of them, and they're $5.98. You can heat them on the stove or in the microwave. And then they also have the Heinz bottled gravy. You get a 3-pack that are 18-ounce. Again, just heat on the stove or microwave, and they're $4.78. I couldn't find any pre-made stuffing that they had. They do have stovetop and then this Pepperidge Farm that you can make yourself. I'm hoping to do a video to show you how easy that is. You just need water, broth, and butter. And you can add in things like sauteed vegetables and apples. But they did have an alternative, which is this cauliflower winter blend, which is riced cauliflower, butternut squash, spinach, red onions, apples, and dried cranberries. It's a 40-ounce total bag. Two 20-ounce bags come in it. Says it's 10 servings, and you cook it on the stovetop or in the microwave. They have two sweet potato options that are pre-made. I've not seen anything like that at Costco. The first one is sweet potatoes with cinnamon butter, and it usually comes in like a 2-pound package, $3.62 a pound. Bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Then they also have sweet potato pie, which is a 12-inch pie, 58-ounce for $7.98. They had the sweet potato pie in the dessert category, but I know some people, even at our house, we have a sweet potato pie that we eat with our meal. So 2 options there. For snacking before, during, and after the meal, they have a vegetable tray. It's just under $10, 4 pounds, includes broccoli, carrots, snap peas, cauliflower, celery, peppers, and dip. I looked at just buying a bag of their raw vegetables, which are carrot, broccoli, and cauliflower, plus adding celery and a dip, and it was about the same price, if not a little bit more. So if you're going to do it, it's a really good deal just for $10 to buy the vegetable tray. Okay, on to green beans. They have green beans with butter. They're $5.28 a pound, which seemed a little pricey for that. The size varies, and you heat them on the stove for about 10 minutes. But they sell a huge can of green beans for like $3.50, and you just add that with some cream of chicken or cream of mushroom soup, some milk, and bake it in the oven and put those little crispy onions on top. A much more affordable way, but again, I'm trying to show you things that are reheat and go. On to the salad options. Isn't that exciting? They have a pre-made Caesar salad in a container. It's $4.75 a pound, and the size varies. They have a bagged Caesar for $3.48 a pound. The pre-made is usually around 2 pounds. The bag is only 14 ounce, so the pre-made may actually be cheaper depending on how much you need. They have iceberg and romaine mix, 2.5 pound for $2.98. And then they have a 2-pound garden salad for $1.46. How can you resist a hot, buttery roll at Thanksgiving? They have the 32 count King's Hawaiian rolls for $5.38, or they have their yeast rolls. You get 12 for $1.98. They also have their croissants. They're around $5. They have mini and large, so depending on which you choose, there's a different number in each, but several roll options for you. So it's dessert time, and they've got a ton of stuff. Let's start with their 12-inch pumpkin pie for $5.98. It's huge. It's shown here with whipped cream. You can add that yourself. They have a French silk pie, which is a chocolate pie, for $7.98. They have apple pie for $8.98. Pecan pie for $11.98, also huge. And they have key lime pie for $6.98. In addition, they have all sorts of cakes, including the round chocolate cake that's really rich and delicious and can feed a lot of people. They have sheet cakes. They have cupcakes. They have brownie bites, pumpkin roll, tres leche cake, all sorts of cakes. And then we move into the cheesecakes. Pumpkin cheesecake for $17.78. Sampler cheesecake for $14.98, which has 4 flavors to it, really good. And their own cheesecake with fresh berries on the top, which looks delicious, for $15.98. Finally, I have some honorable mentions for you. The first is broccoli salad. It's the broccoli with the raisins and the dressing. It's really good. And it's $4.48 a pound. It's usually 2 pounds. They also have Waldorf salad, which is a salad with apples and grapes and a dressing on it. That's $3.58 a pound. And then if you didn't want mashed potatoes or you just couldn't get enough potatoes, they have scallop potatoes, 2.5 pounds for $6.98. It says it serves 8 people, and you just bake that at 350 for 25 minutes. Or they have their mac and cheese for $2.38 a pound, which is usually 2 pounds. You bake it in the oven. I found with things like that, though, it bakes a lot, or it cooks a lot faster if I do it in the microwave. I find that with their Alfredo and their mac and cheese. So a little tip there. And then they have a 2-pound assorted cheese for $8.58. So you could do a cheese platter to go with your vegetable platter. And it includes mild cheddar, Swiss, Colby Jack, pepper jack. And all you would really need to do is buy some crackers to put on the side. And finally, here's a cranberry pecan salad topper that you could use at Thanksgiving, and then it's large enough you could use it for other meals as well. It would make those simple salads really delicious. Okay, so Sam's Club has a lot of great stuff. They have things that perhaps other places don't have. And if you want to know more about that, I've actually done a comparison between Sam's Club and Costco for their prepared foods to see who has a better selection and compare pricing. So if you'd like to get your hands on that, I'll put a link down below where you can contact me and I will send that out to you. You can also visit my website, creativefrugalfun.com. I'm hoping to have a sign-up sheet there where you can also get that emailed to you. So I hope that you have a wonderful holiday and that you make life a little bit easier on yourself by maybe purchasing a few things to help out with your cooking. And until next time, make it a great day. Thanks. Bye.